Today is your Illustrator challenge. I want to see how capable you are with the pen tool, the pencil tool, and whatever other tools you need along the way to create what we are looking at here. I have given you two options. You've got the guy and the girl, the cool tones versus the warm tones. You can pick whichever one of these two you want. They are equally difficult to each other. I want to see how capable you are of drawing this out to match almost exactly what you see. There are a lot of shapes that go into this, and this is likely going to take more than one day to complete correctly. But in Illustrator, time equals money. The faster you move through things like this, the more money you will make doing this. So I want to see how capable you are today. Pick which one you want. Start drawing out the shapes. Stack them in the hierarchy that you need. Make sure the right colors are on top. Draw out as much as you can in as short a period as you can do it. You think you got it? I think you do. Good luck. So that's your daily dose of design. If you found this helpful in any way, shape, or form, like, subscribe to the channel, and keep building your toolbox. See you in the next one.